iFlow AI is one of the most exciting new tools on the market, but is it really as game-changing as it seems? In this iFlow AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software that's just been released. Stay tuned till the end because I'll reveal my honest thoughts on whether iFlow AI is worth your time. And I've got a special offer for you too. First up, iFlow AI is designed to streamline and automate many of your business processes. It's built to integrate into your workflow and help with things like lead generation, content creation, and customer relationship management. It claims to boost productivity by automating tasks that usually eat up your time. So let's break down exactly what this software offers and why it's generating so much buzz in the digital marketing space. One of the standout features of iFlow AI is its ability to help you with intelligent decision making. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze data in real time, giving you insights into the most profitable actions you can take next. Whether you're running ad campaigns or just trying to optimize your content strategy, this can save you hours of analysis and research. Next, iFlow AI excels at automating content creation. As someone deeply involved in digital marketing, I can tell you that content is king, but creating it consistently can be a challenge. iFlow AI takes care of this by generating relevant content based on the parameters you set. It's a huge time saver, especially for people who need to churn out blog posts, social media updates, or marketing copy quickly. But it's not just about writing. It also creates headlines and captions designed to boost engagement. Another powerful feature is its ability to manage customer interactions. iFlow AI integrates with your CRM and automates follow-ups, making sure no lead falls through the cracks. Imagine having an assistant that works 24/7, reaching out to customers, scheduling meetings, and nurturing relationships, all without you lifting a finger. This feature alone can significantly improve your business's customer retention. Now, if you've used AI software before, you'll know that ease of use is key. Thankfully, iFlow AI is intuitive and user-friendly even for beginners. The setup process is straightforward, and you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. The dashboard is clean and customizable, allowing you to track performance, analyze data, and make adjustments without feeling overwhelmed. A big selling point for iFlow AI is its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with major platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Shopify, and more. If you're already using these platforms, iFlow AI can integrate effortlessly into your workflow, pulling data directly from these systems to help you make smarter decisions. While iFlow AI has a lot of great features, it's important to mention that, like any software, it does have a learning curve. If you're brand new to automation or AI tools, there might be a bit of a ramp-up time as you get used to the interface and all the features it offers. However, the learning curve is pretty short compared to other tools I've tested, so you should be up and running in no time. Finally, I want to mention pricing. Many new AI tools charge an arm and a leg, but iFlow AI offers a free trial, which means you can test it out risk-free and see if it's a good fit for your business. Just click the first link below to try it for yourself. Now, if you're still on the fence, let me tell you this. iFlow AI is one of those tools that can genuinely make a difference if you're looking to boost productivity, optimize marketing efforts, and get more done in less time. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and iFlow AI definitely stands out. If you want to explore more, I've included some of my top recommended AI software options in the description below. You can try them for free, so make sure to check them out and find the perfect fit for your business needs. If you found this review helpful, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts on iFlow AI. And remember, the best way to stay ahead in digital marketing is by using the right tools. So go ahead and give iFlow AI a try today.